Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update. So as per your requirement, I have modified the code and the formatting of the input you like. Let me show you. So this was the older format, and I think you suggested a new format. Okay, so I think you suggested this format. So I have modified the file name CSV new website electrodirect complete delivery. And here is the control tab for this one. So you can see I have modified the input output column for each. So here are the number values you can enter in the yellow cells. Then you can enter the VAT. Then this is for the dynamic percent only, and this is for the dynamic percentage and a fixed value as well. So let me, I think, I don't know if it is a fixed cost or just a fixed value. We are just adding it. So most probably it's a fixed cost. So, yep. Okay. So I have entered some random entries in it. You can select the output in input in columns F and G, and for this one in column G and H, because there is an extra column for the fixed cost. Now, let me take you back. Let me first show you. So all of these are taking the data in from column D and spitting out the result on column L. Okay. So I'll take you to this sheet. So this is the raw data. I've used both numbers and the decimal numbers as well. So this part, let me highlight it. So this is basically only for the percent input, and this is for the in percent and sorry, not green, percent and fixed value as well. And here you will see these are the calculated results. This will be the difference from the actual results which our script will throw, so that we can compare. So first I'll run this one. So what basically I'm going to do, this is the raw numbers in column D. I'm going to process this for the percent value, and this is going to use this table, find the value range, take the percent out, use the VAT, and spit out the result on the column L. So let me do that. So column L is here. Manual percent. You can always change the menu. You know how to do that. I just showed you. Taking a bit longer than usual. Okay, so we have the results, and here you can see zeros, except this one, these two. I'll let you know why. So you can see the response, the results are exactly same what we are calculating and what we are getting through the code. Okay, so why these zeros are here? Because basically, for example, if you are using, if you are getting the end result as 24, sorry, let me first explain 27.9 or 8. So if the end result is 27.6, so this will become 30.00, which will become 29.99. Okay, but if it is complete 27, what should do? Obviously, it will go back to 29.99. What if it is already 30? If it is 30, it can't go to 34.999. It should go 29.999. And this is what it is doing. Okay, so it is not taking, the formula is wrong. The formula is not showing the all the conditions, but the app script has already applied everything. So it should go back to 19.999 instead of adding another 5 to it and presenting wrong values. So this is right. You can ignore these 5s. Okay, now let me show you the result for this. And here you can see there is a lot of difference in between, because the results are based on only percent value. Now I'll recalculate the column D with the manual percent and value. And this time it's going to use these factors. So these percentages will be used, and these fixed costs will be used. And yep, I think it's running. Taking a bit longer than usual, I don't know. Maybe I'm recording the video, but this doesn't take this much long. Okay, done. Okay, so you can see zeros here, and again 1 5 as well. So this is also the same. You can see 7099.99, because this was actually 710. So this becomes 709.99, whereas it's increasing this by 5, which is wrong. So this will imply if we will be using this, which is wrong. I don't need to explain this. So basically this will do that we are not using 65, 55, but 60. We are not using 60, but 65. So basically it's adding anything. So this is wrong. This is just for the comparison and show you the result differences. So we are getting the right results, and here are the difference just because we are using this method instead of the only percentage value. You can also use the text application for for same method, column D and column L. See, script finished. Don't know. Sometime taking longer, sometime no. So you can see the difference here is now in here as well and here, because this time the results are based on text calculations instead of the dynamic percent or dynamic value. So that is it. We can clear this. Let me turn these red so that you can always delete anything from here. So this is just for testing and show you the results so that you can get satisfied as soon as I can. Okay, so that is it from my side. Please let me know if still something is missing or if you need any further assistance. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.